will do Ganita Manjari because this will actually clear up whether you have understood concepts or not. The first question let us take up. Okay, don't write questions and all. We don't have time. We'll be doing some 30-35 questions. It's your scribble work now. These are 1 mark questions. So we have a radius of a circle which is 13 centimeter and length of one of its chord is 10 centimeters. So what should be the distance? How will you find this out? What should be the distance? Okay. So, and यही से test हो जाएगा, आपने पढ़ा है कि नहीं? So my first question is something like this. I have a circle and the length of one of its chord is 10 centimeters. So this is 10 centimeter. The radius is 13 centimeters. So this is 13 centimeter. And the distance is always halfway. So this becomes 5. It forms a Pythagorean triplet. 13, 5. So 13 is 165, 169. This is 25. So this should be 144. So the radius should be, this distance should be 12. This should be your speed of calculation. And you can solve this only when if you know that the distance, the line joining the center to the chord bisects the chord. ये पहला क्वेश्चन समझ में आया? इतना ही टाइम दूंगा आपको, बाकी आप घर पे करो इसको. Have you understood the first question? The first question involves a chord and the chord gets bisected by the distance. This distance d you have to find out, and d is always having a perpendicular angle. So Pythagoras theorem is applicable. First question done. Okay, let's go to our question number 2. Okay, let's go to question number 2. Question number 2 says that a chord is at a distance of 8 centimeter from the center of a circle. So question number 2 is something like this.
It's the same concept.
Same concept. Very good. It is at a distance of how much? 8 centimeters. So in your ability to solve these questions faster, you should actually have a grip of Pythagorean triplets. M square, 2m plus 1, 2m minus 1. Okay. So Pythagorean triplets, this is 8 and the radius is how much? The radius is 17. So you should know 8 square is 64. 17 square is 249, 349?
249.
249. So 249 से 64 निकालो, ठीक है? So how much? उसका रूट होगा 249. You make it 250. 250 से 60 निकालो.
190.
190. But it was
190.
260 आपने किया ना?
हाँ, 259.
हाँ, तो कितना हुआ?
189.
But
189.
185 will not give you a perfect square. 196 will give you a perfect square. जो भी है कर लेना. Do you understand this one? Okay. Till now you have sailed, but from now on you will face problem. Okay. Since you have not studied, whoever has not studied, he will face problem. In the given figure, number 3. Acha, this question paper, if you are unable to see online for Ahan and this is uploaded on Teams. You can open from there also. It is there on Teams. You can upload. You can, you can open it there. Let's see the third question. BOC is the diameter of a circle. AB is equal to AC. They're asking you the value of this angle. So this is X, this is X, this is 90. So 90 plus 2X is 180. So this angle should be 45 and 45. Why is this 90? नहीं, आप solve करना ना घर पे बैठ के, मैं तो आपको help कर रहा हूँ. Theorem, angle in a semicircle is a right angle. Yes, I want the right definition. R part नहीं है यहाँ पे. Angle in a semicircle is a right angle. We are using that funda. Next, in the given figure, O is the center of a circle. ACB is 30. They are asking us what is AOB. AOB will be 60. Angle subtended by an arc at the center is twice the angle subtended by the arc at any point on the remaining part of the circle. क्या थीटा थीटा? ये 30 है तो ये 60 है. सिंपल. नो 2 वाला नहीं, इंग्लिश एग्जाम में जाके 2 वाला मत लिखो. Exam, this is MCQ question, so you need not substantiate your reasoning. But if this is a proof question, तब तो आपको लिखना होगा. तब आप क्या लिखेंगे? आपको तो theorem भी मुंह पे याद नहीं. आप फंस गए because you opened your mouth. Like you, there are many who do not know the theorem by heart. Only thing is that the sword is not hanging on their head. Angle subtended by an arc at the center of a circle is twice the angle subtended by the arc at any point on the remaining portion of the circle. समझ में आ रहा है कहाँ प्रॉब्लम है? और ये क्योंकि पढ़ के नहीं आते हो ना, क्या है ये? ओके, नेक्स्ट So now this one, what are they asking? The value of angle ACB. देखते हैं कौन किसको सॉल्व करता है. ACB, I want the value of this angle.
OA and OB, like
I don't know all these questions. I just want the value of this particular angle.
40.
I don't know. You tell me the value of this angle.
40. Sorry, 40.
You what?
Then quickly, AOB is going to be 80 and it is going to be half.
Huh?
ACB is going to be the half of it.
No. What did you say? A? Bolo. AOB?
AOB would be 80.
Why AOB will be 80?
So because it is the sum of the other angles.
Huh?
Nahi.
That triangle is isosceles.
Sir,
This is 40, this is 40. They make it 80.
लेकिन sir,
And then this cannot be 80. Then it is 180 minus 80. 100 degree. And then this is 50 degree.
सर मैंने आपसे पूछा था कि वो आइसोसेलेस है या नहीं. आपने बोला कि मुझे नहीं पता.
मैं तो कह रहा हूं मुझे आंसर चाहिए यहाँ पे. अगर आप फंबल करेंगे मैं बोलूंगा. मैं थोड़ी एग्जाम में राइट अ लेटर टू द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ योर स्कूल asking for an additional seat beside you. A person will come and sit from our housing complex. He will not help me only for motivation. आपका आज्ञाकारी छात्रा. ऐसा थोड़ी होता है. चलो next. In the given figure, AOB is a diameter with center O and AB is equal to 34. The diameter is 34. CD is a chord of length 30. Then the distance. Tell me what should be the distance.
Green और ये
So AB is 34. So you just join this. If you join this, AB 34 है and CD का length कितना है? 34 means this becomes 17. This is also 17. This is also 17. Radius है ना? And chord is how much? 15. 225 plus 249. 249 minus 225. 5 आएगा शायद. 25 आएगा. 25 का हाफ करेंगे, रूट करेंगे तो 5 होगा.
5 नहीं है. 6 नहीं 6.
देखो 17 square is how much?
49.
249 minus 225. 17 square
Minus 249.
289. Yeah, 289 minus 225. 200 gone. Just do 89 minus 25. 280. See, दिमाग यूज करो. 285 minus 289 minus 225. और 2 को छोड़ दो. 85 minus 29 करो. 89. ठीक हो गया? 7 I'll not say. देखता हूँ. उसको मत तोड़ो. हाँ. AB CD are equal.
नहीं हो.
Theorem ही याद नहीं है. Equal chords subtend equal angle at the center. If the chords are तो फिर 80 क्या? 80 होगा. तो फिर 80 नहीं, 80 होगा. That 80 होगा is not coming out of your mouth because confidence is low, and confidence is low because practice is not there. Equal chords subtend equal angles at the center. They have already said. Once you have read this line, equal chord, your brain should start thinking. Equal chords में दो theorem है. Equal chords are equidistant from the center, and equal chords are subtend equal angles at the center. Have you understood? Now, do you understand why you should study? I could do little bit more bejati. I'm not doing that. Chalo. Next question. ए बराबर नहीं, अपना आप मुंह में पढ़ो और करो. Number 6. Charvik, how is it? Spider-Man movie in Greek without subtitles, right? Searching. You can scribble you can use your books to scribble. I don't mind. What happened? सांप सुन गया?
सर 1 सेकंड.
1 सेकंड तो हो गया.
2 सेकंड.
क्या क्या बोला है? CD diameter है. And CD is perpendicular to the chord. You have to find out radius. CE value is given to you.
हाँ, लाइक हाँ सर वो यूज कर सकते हैं ना.
AB की वैल्यू दे देते हैं तो 6 सेंटीमीटर प्लस
AB value is how much, bacha?
12.
12. If AB is 12, then this becomes 6. Fine. Then C value is 3. This value is 3. And what else is given?
Radius
Radius of the circle is how much?
AO use
AO you have to find out. So now AO has to be found out by an equation. If this radius is x, this is how much? X minus 3. Now do x square. You have to do. Don't look at my face. X square is equal to 36 plus x square minus 6x plus 9. I'm deliberately jumping steps. I want to see how much your brains are sharp.
Sir,
X minus 3 whole square. X minus 3 whole square is how much? X square minus 6x plus 9. So x square and x square cancel each other, right? And so your 6x goes this side. You have 36 and 9. 36 and 9 gives you how much? 45 by 6 is your answer. So that is 15 divided by 2, which is 7.5. And if you still think that you have not understood, then hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus altitude square. Common people see it like this. Legends see it like this. Legends see it like this. So that's what I wrote. 36 plus x square minus 6x plus 9. क्या होगा उसमें गुस्सा निकाल के क्या होगा इस सर? चलो next you can scribble. Don't give up. These are MCQs. Number 9. And this time I'll not open my mouth. Chup pura. Acha, how are you all attacking a problem? If you see problem number 9, is any angle mentioned?
no.
So this does not belong to class 2 of our learning. This must be belonging to class 1. And it should be all with distance, equidistant, equal chords. तो लगा वो सब? I hope you know the meaning of this symbol, right? That's what there.
उधर लिखा हुआ भी है.
So these are, this is actually,
CE is equal to
this is taken up from R.S. Agarwal of grade 9, whose soft copy I have already shared with you. I have just print screen करके मैं paste किया, इतना ही hard work किया. Yeah, this is the book, which soft copy you have, and if you have a 467 is the page number also. पढ़ना है तो बहुत ये है, यही सब. These are all these questions, and there are some how many? If you do all these questions, then you are the champion. There are 42 such questions. हाँ सर बोलिए आंसर क्या होगा? 8 centimeter.
ऐसे. Sir, 4. No, wait, no, 4.
Okay, AB bisects the chord. AB bisects the chord CD at the point E such that CE is equal to ED is equal to, and EB is equal to 4. EB is 4 and this fellow is how much? 8. Right? Now they have asked you to find the radius. So it's the same thing. The same part. So this part is more easy. This is also 8 na. Are bhutniko, this is 4. So 64 is equal to 16 plus C. C, they have asked you to find out. They have asked you to find out what? Radius. No, sorry. They have asked you to find out the radius. So this is x and this is x minus 4. So this time it will be x square is equal to x square minus 8x plus 16 and then 16, and C's value is 8 plus 64. So x square gone. 64 and 16 make it how much? 80. 80 and 8, so it will be 10. 10 is the answer. Did you understand or not? Or just because I am saying 10 and you are agreeing to 10? Actually, now to the guilt factor is so much. Look at Nitya's face and look at this one. What is her name? Sia's face. They're all having guilt factor, so they're not opening their mouth. मुंह खोलने से ही डांट पड़ेगा. चुप रहो. चुप रहने से भी डांट पड़ेगा. What is better, to get a scolding from me or getting a WhatsApp message read by the parent in front of you? Which one is a better option? Tell me, children. You should always choose that between a ditch and a cactus, which is a better fall. Okay. Right, fine. One problem, I'll show you how this is done. And this is like this. So this chord is actually bisected. So if it is bisected, how much should be the measurement out here? They have said that this part is 8. This part is 8. They've also said this part is 4. Agreed? And now I need to find out how much is the radius. हाँ, तो बनाओगे कैसे तुम radius? Now let the radius be how much? X. If the radius is X, this whole part is also X. So this much portion is how much? X minus 4. Now you have a Pythagorean triangle. So what do you get? Hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus altitude square. हाँ, उसी को मैंने थोड़ा सा लेजेंड्स वे में लिखा था, पर आपको बेबी वे समझ में आ रहा है तो बेबी वे से कीजिए, नो प्रॉब्लम, एज लॉन्ग एज यू डू इट. राइट, shall we go to the next one? Next one is what? BOC is the diameter of a circle, agreed, with center O. AB and CD are two chords such that the chords are parallel. If you have parallel chords, then you will be always equidistant from the center. ठीक है ना? And AB's value is equal to 10. Then asking the CD's value. CD's value will also be 10. Now if this is 10, this is 5, you know the radius, by that also you can find it. Work out the next one. Hey, you want it, I'll put it up. Don't worry. Sorry. You want it to be bigger, I'll put it up. Don't worry. Take. अपना बुक में आप स्क्रिबल कर सकते हैं. आई एम हाँ, यह मजेदार क्वेश्चन है. मजा
AOD निकालना है तो
AOD.
इसमें
AB is the chord. CO is joined and produced to meet circle. ACD, they have told you. ACD is 25. Asked you the value of AOD. ये करने के लिए आपको पढ़ना पड़ेगा. अगर आप नहीं पढ़े तो मैं थोड़ा आइडिया दे दूं.
एक छोटा सा क्लू.
छोटा सा क्लू.
Oh my God.
ये लो छोटा सा क्लू. That is the clue. That is what you are not seeing. That is what you are not seeing. That is what you are not seeing. What all are given? AB is a chord with center O. AB is produced. BC is equal to OB.
Yeah.
BC is equal to OB. So my dear children, this angle is 25 degree. Is this clear or not? Okay, this angle is 25. If this angle is 25, then how much should be this angle? 25 is 50. So this angle should be 130 degree. Agreed? If this is 130, this should be how much? 50 degree. Right? Linear pair. Then this is also isosceles. So this should be 50 degree. If this is 50, this is 50, 100, this is 80. And if this is 80, this has to be 40. angle subtended by an arc at the center is twice the angle subtended by the arc at any point. Oh, ye nahi chahiye. Sorry, you don't need that. Now we have found out this itself. So this is 25. 1 minute. No, 1 minute, 1 minute. Till here are you fine?
55 option है क्या?
50 हो गया ना ये? This is 25, this is 50. 25 plus 50 gives you how much? 75. 180 minus 75 is how much?
गलत है.
Array. Pay attention once again. This is 25 degrees. Pay attention. Then this is also 25. 25 is 50. So this should be how much? 130. If this is 130, this is 50. If this is 50, this is 50. This is also an isosceles triangle. 50, 50, 100. Then this one is 80. 80, 80, 80, 180 is equal to x plus 80 plus 25. So this one will be how much? 75 degrees. But you need which angle? Yes, 75 aa gaya. You need the value of which? This. Now you tell me. नहीं हमें क्या चाहिए? AOD. AOD 75 आ गया. तो हो गया done. They need not join that. I actually thought you need this angle. I thought this angle. That's why joining नहीं चाहिए. But that level you have to think. What you all are not using is base angles of isosceles triangles are same. Your brain is thinking that the isosceles triangle will always come like this in the triangle. Have you seen that movie Dhamal? W. You are thinking that W will come like this only. No. The isosceles triangle might pop out in this manner also. This is also isosceles. ठीक है? हुआ ये? अभी थोड़ा level समझ में आ रहा है? हाँ? How is the Beijati index? Quite good? Let's go next. Now I'll not say anything. Do. कितने सर्कल बना रहे हो ना? गणिता मंजरी. Again, this is a measurement oriented question.
तो सबको मुझे दिमाग में करेंगे.
हाँ. After this, I'll open the book if you're done with all questions. If you are feeling hot, you can switch on the fan. Only OD is given. Only OD. If you find 12 difficult, you can go to 13. 12 we can do by one more thing which you were taught in the chapter of coordinate geometry, similar triangles. If two triangles are similar, then the ratio of their corresponding sides are equal. We can even use that. The two triangles are similar, see? Triangle BDO and triangle BAC. But even if you don't use it, you can work. Some of the hints that I can give you is, if this is R, then this is also R. And the value of OD is given to you as 6. And whatever is this, if this is X, this is also X. So basically AC will be equal to what? AC will be equal to, and this angle will always be 90 degree because this is angle in a semicircle. That means if I try to solve this problem, then r plus r is 2r. 2r square should be equal to 2x square plus ac square. But it opens up two variables for you, r and x. Now check, how do you solve for r and x? You get another relation here. Use this relation. R square is equal to 36 plus x square. Do you agree? Now you solve this equation. What does this equation give you? 4r square is equal to, very good, 4x square plus ac square. Instead of 4r square, you can write 4 into 36 plus x square is equal to 4x square plus ac square. This opens your Pandora's box as 4 into 36 plus 4x square is equal to 4x square plus ac square. 4x square gone. AC square is equal to this. So AC will be equal to what? Now legends and normal people, you will multiply this and take a root. Morons. 4's root is 2, 36 root is 6. So AC is equal to 12. Having challenge today.
तीसरा 13 वाला
नहीं 13 नहीं, 12 वाला समझ में आएगा नहीं. 12 वाला देखो कैसे किया, दिमाग लगाओ. x x r r,
हमने पूरे ट्रायंगल का बोल लिया.
पूरा ट्रायंगल, क्योंकि ये दोनों सिमिलर है, पूरा और छोटा. Both are right angle triangles. But you all were thinking, sir is introducing two variables x and r, plus we have to find one AC. Array, all will die their death, don't worry. See, r square got. The question is, will you be able to do this now at home? We're just discussing all problems. Okay, next one. Can you make the figure of this diagram?
Yes,
How did you make the diagram? First the triangle or first the circle? First the triangle. Nobel Prize for you. Is it easy to put a triangle in a circle, or is it easy to put the circle over triangle? Huh? Triangle inside a circle is easier. Hey, come on, yaar. Which is easy? You draw a triangle and then try to draw the circle. This is easy. This is more easy, I think. That is easy. The next one is more easy. Anyways, comfort is person to person. But if you survey 100 people who are not intoxicated, 98 will find this easy. 2 will find this easy. Normal survey. हो सकता है ना? The question is simple, like, do you eat and shit or do you shit and eat? Both can be biological process. A person can eat and visit the washroom. A person can visit the washroom and come to eat. But the question I am asking is, do you shit and eat or you eat and shit? That time please answer, I eat and shit. Don't say I shit and eat. The grammatical mistake makes it absolutely not illogical, makes a fool of you. How we answer the question. Humor is a very nice sublime part of how you answer. Yesterday I was watching one interview. I don't know, I shared it with grade 8 guys. You know USB. USB is India's invention. So the person who invented Ajay, so he was being interviewed by a Chinese YouTuber or an interviewer, saying that it has been so many years of USB and I have the founder, the guy who invented. So he's asking how to make ensure from the two sides of the USB that in one go it will go in the right side. We all struggle with that. First time it doesn't go, we change it. You know what the person replied? Try the C cable. Such a nice humor. The C cable does not have that confusion. The C cable can go in any side. But that's called presence of mind. Yeah, develop कीजिए. Okay, chalo. So the equilateral triangle is of 9 cm inscribed. Radius of the circle is how much? Could you solve this? Okay. Angle in a semicircle. बच गया यार. Angles in the same segment of a circle are
supplementary. Supplementary.
see
Equal.
equal. Angles in the same segment of a circle. मत पढ़ो. Let's take this segment. Your choice. Shall I take this?
Yeah.
All equal.
Trouser theorem. Angles in the same segment of a circle are equal because both of them subtend half of the angle at the center. Oh no, between this O, there was Saturday half day, Sunday, Monday, no, sorry, Sunday half day, Monday evening, Tuesday evening. At that time, I did oh. So now you do oh. जो भी करो नंबर तो कम ही आएंगे भाई साहब. समझ में आया? चले आगे. चलिए. Now तो I will not open mouth. मुझे क्या पता ट्राउजर है कि क्या है, शर्ट है, आप निकालो. All Greek and Roman. Look at Charvik's face. I'm loving this face.
70 degrees. See. 70.
Explanation.
Explanation.
Okay. So
ए क्या? What did you say?
Explanation कीजिए.
थोड़ा दिमाग में हैमर से तोड़ दूंगा. अभी नहीं सिखाया. ये 60 डिग्री नहीं होगा. तो ये 60 ये 50 है तो ये कितना है? हाँ? ये 60 नहीं होगा. तो वो 50 है. 60 plus 50 is 120. 70. All getting recorded, huh? I actually think of putting one camera on this side also, which captures this view. Parents should. Oh, which one?
the mic.
This much mic will capture her voice. I will put one more on this side, one hanging mic and one camera from this side. Look at to the attention of your children. Gossip is good as long as you are not involved in it, right? The next one. क्या निकालने दिया इस बार? CDA.
नहीं हो नहीं सकता. हाँ तो ये 30 सेंटीमीटर होगा.
ये वे मैं आंसर चाहिए मेरे को रे भाई. माझा आंसर पाहिजे मॅडम. तुम्हें चिड़िया भी नहीं दिख रहा है. चिड़िया की आंख बहुत दूर की चीज है. फर्स्ट ट्राई टू स्पॉट द बर्ड, देन ट्राई टू लुक एट द आई ऑफ द बर्ड. Theorems. What is BOC?
Diameter.
Then Bhutnika, what is BAC?
The
90 degree. Angle in a semicircle. Morons. This is 90. This will be 90.
तो फिर उसको बीच से काटना है.
तो इससे कितना हो गया? 90 और 30 कितना हो गया? 120. So this will be how much? 60. And now there is a trouser formation. So this is also 60. I thought I will not open my mouth. But if I don't open, तुम लोग एक ही पेज में रहोगे. शर्म करो. लिजर्ड स्प्रे मारो अपने अपने शरीर पे. हाँ, आपने दिमाग लगाया. आपका दिमाग तो बाजार में बेचने में फुल विल गेट. इफ यू रिफंड ऑन Amazon विल गेट फुल प्राइस फॉर योर ब्रेन. अनयूज्ड, प्री-लव्ड.
नहीं अभी नहीं ODB निकालना अच्छे से पढ़.
देखो इसमें ये कौन सा क्वेश्चन कर रहे हो अभी आप? 18 क्वेश्चन करने के लिए we don't need any of circles knowledge at all. Not transverse also. Both the triangles are congruent. Is it?
नहीं 50 नहीं.
It is not necessary that they will be congruent. These four sides, this side are equal. You can't say the fifth side will be equal. So what is the answer? No one has told that it is a parallel line. If this is 50, all I can say is this is 50. हाँ 50 है, 50 है, मैं कम बना के है। लेकिन आपको वो नहीं निकालने बोला है ना, वो नीचे वाला निकालो फिर डीबीओ। फिर भी कितने बेवकूफ हो, अगर ये 50 है तो ये भी तो 50 होगा ना। हाँ तो फिर वाई आर यू फाइटिंग, ये निकालने बोला, मैं ये पूछा ना 50 बिकॉज दीज आर आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल। स्क्रीन ऊपर करो, स्क्रीन ऊपर चाहिए। कौन सा? Anyways, this will be actually disturbing your view. Now you do. Now you do. Which one are you trying to do? Question number 19. Oh, 19 is what formation? Namaskar formation. Yes. What do you have to find out? This and come on, this is 20, this is 20, 30, 50, so this is 100. तो क्या हो, तो क्या 100 तो मुंह से तो निकल नहीं रहा है, मुंह से। You should say 100 sir, proceed next question. Confidence कहाँ है? हाँ 100. Which one? Which triangle? Both the triangles. Triangles never is 180 beta. Sum of all angles of a triangle is 180. Yeah. Huh. It will be. Oh. Chicken and egg story, huh? There's one lovely video in YouTube. There's a Telugu guy who makes all these things, Viva videos. What is a capacitor? Hey, don't be like a snakes. Okay, what is vibration? Mechanical vibration is, hey, dosa. I'm making dosa. He makes very beautiful. Your conditions are all like that. Sir, proceed. Sir. Maun Vratham. Now Vani watching.
If that is tonight.
Yeah. 75.
Hey, what do I know? You solve, yeah.
75.
75.
All of you have to agree, na? You...
The motion is not.
Yeah, the motion is not passed. So let's see what it is.
75.
In the given figure, O is the center of the circle. Very good. If AOB is 100, AOB is 100, then BAC. How did you make it 75? Tell me.
85.
Array, you nonsense. This is 90. So both these should be 45.
45.
This is 100. So this should be equal to how much? पीटूंगा पकड़ क्या? 40 and 40. 40 and 45 is 85. The overall angle is what Charik was saying. In a triangle, 180, 100 gone, 80 pending, 2 are equal. One is 40, another is also 40. 40 plus 45 makes it 85. है ना? समझ में आया? Next. कल से सब ऑनलाइन क्लास करूंगा मैं, क्यों अपने छाती की दर्द बढ़ाऊं? वो मार्किंग जो है वो निकालो।
नहीं वो उसके लिए बोल रहे हो। ऊपर वाले के लिए, नीचे वाले के इतना आसान नहीं होगा।
कितने मतलब मैं ये चीज नहीं समझता हूँ. इफ यू कुड हैव सॉल्व दिस, व्हाई यू कांट सॉल्व दिस? इज आल्सो आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल ना. सो इफ दिस इज 50, द बैलेंस एंगल इज हाउ मच? 130. सो दैट इज 65 65. इफ यू अभी यहाँ पे जो भौ भौ कर रहा है सर, डॉग डॉग, और यहाँ पे थोड़ा पूडल डॉग आ गया ना, रिबन्स लगा के, आई डोंट नो, माइट बी अ लेपर्ड. Is it a crocodile? अरे वो भी कुत्ता ही है, थोड़ा सच धज के आया है, डिफरेंस उतना ही है. इसमें सॉल्व कर पाया, इसमें नहीं कर पा रहा है. That is happening because पढ़े नहीं हो ना. See what is lagging in you guys, you know. 1 minute, 1 minute. When the question is posed to you, your brains are trying to think of a solution. No. First thing, what all arms you have with you? 10 arms. 10 different theorems. Some are related to measurements, some are related to angles. You have to open those arms and kill it. This is an angle related problem. So second is issue.
30 degrees. Motion is fast.
AOC is 120. They're asking BDC.
30 degrees. Yes. नहीं बचाती. 30 degrees. That is.
ये 120 है तो कितना बचा? 60. तो ये 30, ये 30. There is a nice trouser formation. If this is 30, this is also 30. Angles. मतलब ठीक है, मैं मना थोड़ी कर रहा हूँ. बाकी लोग 30 ऐसे बोले जय श्री राम, जय श्री राम. क्यों जैसा वो तो जानो, जैसे भी करो, आंसर तो आना है. नेक्स्ट.
35.
मुझे नहीं पता.
आपको नहीं पता मुझे?
CDA निकालना है. सुड़े
क्या?
CDA. CDA निकालना है. CDA. कुत्ता तो यहाँ भी है, ढूंढो. यहाँ कुछ डेल्मेशियन बन के आया है. यहाँ डेल्मेशियन ही डॉबरमैन बिना पूंछ का आया है, विदाउट अ टेल. रॉटवेलर.
25. Yes, isn't it?
65, 75, 95, 105. You morons. ये तुम्हें is OBA isosceles? Yes or no?
Yes.
If this is 50, then this is also 50.
Yes.
If this is 50, then this is 50. Trouser यहाँ भी बन रहा है ना, आपको दिख नहीं रहा है. Dog is here also. You have to. Dalmatian आया इस बार. आपको dog. See, you are thinking that the trouser theorem will come to you like this. Sir, दिखने में ही पैंट जैसा लग रहा है. W होके भी आ सकता है. हाँ, W. मिश्का ने हमेशा, मिश्का का एक ही रोना है. Sir, I told ना, sir, I said that ना. You are that. There's that typical that mother-in-law होता है ना. मैंने तो कहा था. I told her to make this. I told it will rain. Still she put the clothes in the wire. I told that today will be a rainy day. Still she went out. She's like that. मारा नहीं पता. खुद निकालो. CBD बेलापुर. Central Business District. सुबड़े निकालो.
20. No. Sorry. गलती. CD भी stop.
You know what is dhachu? Yeah. Donkeys go in flock. Horses always go alone. If this is 40, this is also 40. 40 and 80 make it 120. You're left with only 60. GADHA झुंड में चलते हैं, घोड़ा हमेशा अकेला. The horse, the black stallion rides alone. Next. हाँ, ट्राउजर हर जगह ही है, ढूंढे. फोल्ड होके बैठा है. What is the D option? Is 90, dear. Question 25. You want me to put it up? Little bit for better clarity? No. I always give a equal chance for every person whom I kill. You should always have. Yeah, then kill me to do it. No. I don't know. 90, 60. See, Nitya, what is happening? All Greek movies without subtitle. ये ओडिसी का विदाउट सबटाइटल आ रहा है. हाँ, एक्चुअल ओडिसी. हार्ट में दर्द हो गया मेरा चिल्ला के. हाँ नहीं जान दे दूंगा इस क्लास पे. हाँ 80, 20, 90, 40, 60, 20, 30, 40. I feel I'm in an auction class, you know. तुम्हारे आंसर सुन के ना ऐसा लग रहा है 2 मिल्क बिकीज खाया था वही निकल जाएगा. करो.
60 70 है.
आज तो एक राइटिंग पेरेंट फोरम में लिखना बनता है. Yes. Despite my repeated reminder to the children to at least revise and watch the videos of last 2 class, wherein, despite me being injured, I made sure that they were uploaded within 1 hour of the end of class. Children, as usual, ... read between the lines. Ma'am, why should I not keep my ground clear? Yeah. Tomorrow, if someone tells, no, sir, after putting her or him to you, she's not improving, not scoring, what should I say? Coaching is not a tangible item, na? It is not like selling a pencil box where you pay me and I show you this is a pencil box. Le jao. Yeah, sir. Sir. What have they asked you to find out? 25. What happened, Advait? Why are you quiet? Chal. Question number 25 is? No, I didn't ask. Ahan, did you watch the 2 videos? Honest answers, huh? No, na. How can I, sir? The weekends were there. You know, so many. I am not able to hear you, Bitu. The microphone is not connected. No issues, no issues. Take your time. Don't. Aram se. Don't get paranoid for that. Aram se. Microphone should have been ready before the class actually. But I attend the class only at 5:30, 5:31. Then I search my microphone. Still not audible, Bitu. Where is your that newsreader wala microphone which keeps hanging in front of your mouth like a podcast person? You have now one podcast wala microphone. What happened? Gave it to girlfriend or what? When you do podcasts, you look very beautiful in that, you know. Lelo. Lecha. Huh? Number 25. What have we found?
27.
We need to find out ADB. We need to find out what, beta? ADB. Are you? This is 110 means this angle is how much? 70. 70, 30 is 100. Then this is how much? 80. So trouser formation, this is also 80.
So मैं 26.
27 वाला भी बोल सकते हो, किसी को दिख नहीं रहा है. आपकी दिव्य दृष्टि है जो आपको दिख रहा है ना?
70 yes.
Oh. 26. 26, you have to find out what angle? Are Ahan, what happened? Your lights went off. No, at least be bright enough. What happened? Suddenly it has become very dark. Now it is illuminated. I thought like it's like Allu theater में दिखाता ना. What is black? Reimagine black. Ekax तो TP में Ahan is in TP mode. Ekax is in FTP. TP is time pass. FTP is full time pass. And Rishika is TTP, total time pass. Chalo. We have to find out what? Then find angle AOC. AOC. How do you find out AOC?
70. हाँ भाई मैंने गेस करके 80 बोल दी 70 बोल दी 60 बोल दिया सब सही दिया वाह
Wow. You Bhutnikas, this will be how much? 50 degree. 50, 50, 100. So this one is how much? 80 degree. This is 20. So this small one is also 20. 20, 20, 40. And then this part is 80. So what do you have to find out? AOC. AOC. So AOC to I here. So this angle is already found out. This is 20. Then this part will also be 20. 20, 20 हो गया.
आंसर क्या है
You need to find out complete AOC, correct? One way to find out AOC is, so this will be 20. Isosceles है ना? 20, 20 is 40. Then the remaining part should be how much? 140.
हाँ 1/3
Consider triangle OAB.
लेकिन 1/4
But they have asked you angle AOC. That is only this much portion. So, and then this whole angle is how much, beta? How much did we calculate this as? 140. So this is 50. Then this is also 50. Then what is this much portion? 50 plus 50, 100. So 80. Now subtract 80 from 140. 70 is the answer. हाँ बहुत अच्छा बोले तो बहुत अच्छा. हाँ अरे whatever it is 60, don't go on my 140 60. I'm an old man. I may do mistake in the subtraction. You see whether you have understood the logic or not. Should I explain it again? Did you understand? एक बार फिर से समझाओ. नहीं ऋषिका ये चाहिए तो एक बार फिर बता देता हूँ कोई बात नहीं 60 हिसाब देखो एक बार फिर से देखो एक बार देखो इधर देखो. This is 20, this is 20. This is 20, this is 20. Agreed? ये 20. Then the whole angle is how much? 140. This is 50. This whole angle is 50. Then this much portion is how much? 50, 50, 100, 80. So this is 80. Now subtract 80 and 70, 140 from 80, it will give you 60. ठीक है? जब यहाँ ग्रे हो जाएगा ना तब समझना आगे और मौत नहीं है तो है
हो गया
ग्रे हो गया नहीं अभी भी ग्रे नहीं हुआ है हाँ ग्रे हो गया हाँ so in 1 hour how many problems you did? 29 problems you have done, which in your house also you can do. The only difference is that Dalmatian dog Jaideep Das is not in your house, who will bark and make you do. In your house you have got all बेटा sleep बेटा she's so hard working. एक ही तो सैटरडे मिलता है ना सोने दीजिए इससे पानी मार के उठाना चाहिए तुम लोगों को बिस्तर से उल्टा लटकाना चाहिए चलो करो ब्लेस्ड जनरेशन बोलता है ना ब्लेस्ड जनरेशन नो हार्ड वर्क एवरीथिंग कम्स सर्व्ड ऑन द प्लेट सो जा मेरा राज दुलारा
cyclic quadrilateral
yo yes cyclic quadrilateral good. So how much should be that B angle? How much should be the B angle?
so 60 degrees
B should be 60. But they have asked you the value of what? BAC. BAC. कैसे? Opposite angles are not equal. Supplementary. The only information from a cyclic quadrilateral point of view you get is that this angle is how much? 60. You Bhutnikas, don't you see that this is 90 degree angle in a semicircle? दिख ही नहीं रहा है 60, 30, 90 is 150. If this is 150 then this is 30 degree. मन की आंखें खोल देखा आहान कितना अच्छा अभी वो हेडफोन डाल दिया है ताकि आवाज दब जाए सर की ये 1971 में पाकिस्तान ने किया था बिफोर इन्वेडिंग इंडिया they were invading with tank and they started shelling so that in the shelling the tank की आवाज दब जाती है ना वो भाई साहब भी वैसा ही किया हेडफोन पहन लिया अभी जो भी सुनना मेरी कान सुनेंगे घर वाले नहीं सुनेंगे वाओ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन मारूंगा ना पकड़ के कोई भी गधा भी बोलेगा ये साइक्लिक है आगे बोल इसका मतलब समझ रहे हो ये एरो का मतलब क्या पैरेलल है इसका मतलब ये क्या है? ट्रेपीजियम है, या ट्रेपीजियम हुआ ना फिर वैसे उसका। तो दिस इज 100, so this much should be how much? This should be 80. What do you have to find out? A, B, C.
और ये 100.
A, B, C. These are parallel lines. मारूंगा पक्का transversal. If this is 80, this is 100. Consecutive interior angle. Co-interior angles. These are parallel lines and this is the transversal. Analytical geometry, you have to be very, very sharp. बहुत अच्छी बात है, मैं आपको 10 इलेक्ट्रॉनिक दे रही हूँ. Last is not a cyclic quadrilateral, huh? Mind you. Last question is very interesting.
तो हमें लास्ट वाले ऐसा ज्यादा
Last question is like this. See, this angle has no relevance. If this is 130, then how much is this angle? 360 minus 100, 260. 260 minus 30, this is 230. If this is 230, then this is 115 degree. Angle subtended by an arc, the major arc CA at the center is twice the angle subtended. You must be thinking this is cyclic quadrilateral. See, she is giving an honest smile. This is not a cyclic quadrilateral. This is the same angle subtended, but for a major arc. And look at the cleverness of the book. So far, they made your mind hypnotized with only minor arc, minor arc, minor arc, and suddenly ये छोड़ दिया. अब आपका दिमाग क्या सोच रहा है? वही हो गया ना, तोता उड़, बटरफ्लाई उड़, डोंकी उड़. वही वाला किया आपके साथ. डोंकी नहीं उड़ता है. Time by my watch is 6:30, and we did how many? 29. You could have done 30 problems also. All it needs is perseverance. And ask yourself, 1 घंटा अपने चेयर में बैठते हो घर पे, leg is paining, water is drinking, washroom is calling, हाँ water is drinking, washroom is calling, फिर थोड़ा नमकीन, मम्मा पता है आज स्कूल में क्या हुआ? 1 घंटे में कितने प्रॉब्लम हो गए? 30 we can say. 30. That means roughly you took how much? 2 minutes per problem. That too with an explanation, discussion, debate, everything. The problem is again what, as I'm leaving you today, I still know that many of you will not do this paper. And you did not do this paper. All of you have this book. This PDF I have sent on day 1. You want me to send again? I'll send again. इसके MCQ में ही है सब. Now choice is yours.